Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Healthy Friends channel. Today's video is a crucial one because we'll be uncovering the alarming signs that your body might be missing a key nutrient, vitamin E. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on essential health tips. Now let's get started. Vitamin E is a powerhouse antioxidant essential for overall health. But did you know that your body might be sending you warning signals if it's lacking this vital nutrient? Let's explore the signs you should be on the lookout for. First on the list, pay attention to your skin and hair. If you've been experiencing dullness and lackluster locks, it could be a red flag that your body is craving more vitamin E. This vitamin plays a crucial role in promoting skin and hair vitality, so stay tuned for tips on how to rejuvenate your appearance naturally. Feeling fatigued and noticing a decline in muscle strength? It might not just be the daily grind. Vitamin E deficiency can contribute to muscle weakness and overall fatigue. Stick around to learn how to replenish your energy levels and keep your body functioning at its best. Your immune system's best friend is vitamin E. If you've been catching every bug that comes your way, it could be a sign that your body needs more immune support. We'll explore the role of vitamin E in bolstering your defenses and keeping you healthy year-round. Did you know that vitamin E is essential for maintaining good eyesight? If you've been experiencing vision issues or eye discomfort, it's time to consider the role of this vitamin in supporting eye health. Stay tuned for tips on promoting optimal vision naturally. Don't worry, we've got you covered with practical tips on how to increase your vitamin E intake through delicious and nutritious foods. From nuts and seeds to leafy greens, we'll guide you on incorporating these foods into your diet for a healthy dose of vitamin E. As we wrap up, remember that recognizing the signs of vitamin E deficiency is the first step towards a healthier you. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and comment below with your thoughts or questions. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more health insights. Until next time, stay vibrant and well-nourished.